The simplest thing we need to do on the latest RTR products is to often just renumber or rename them. Certainly, even if you don't rename it, put etched nameplates on. Here's Hornby's latest county, and it's branded as County of Devon, and it's 1005. Now, just be careful with any rebranding, any renumbering and naming, because the counties, although a pretty sort of standard class, several of them, in fact all of them probably later in their lives, got double chimneys, so don't just go willy-nilly sort of sticking whatever you like on. But this is representative of an earlier period in BR days with the old style of cycling lion. Now, I'm using 247 development nameplates. These are very good. GWR also make an excellent nameplate, and Model Masters, the excellent Jackson Evans range. And although these are exquisitely printed, they don't have any relief. So although side on they look okay, when you turn it sort of into perspective, it loses the relief. They were very nice cast brass plates on Great Western Railway locomotives. So what do we do? First of all, a word on my pedantry. Isn't this nice to see? County of Stafford, not County of Staffordshire. You see that now? Shire and county are one and the same. So if you have County of Staffordshire, what you're saying is County of Stafford County, or Shire of Staffordshire, which is needless repetition, tautology. Anyway, let's snip these out. Again, using our little tin snips. Now, obviously go as close as you can, but not too close. We don't want to damage this fine edge. If you can, cut it on the half etch side, the face side. You'll find it easier. Although in that case, it's easier to do it that way. And then just very gently file off any burr. It's very, very easy to damage these. Now, obviously, Devon is one of the shorter names. Do what I do and choose a longer name. And if you note, this is slightly over scale, and the top of that nameplate will be visible. So what I'm going to do is just take off the top bit of it using the ubiquitous felt tip marker. Once again, I'm using Evo stick for my adhesive. Don't use super glue for this. Chances are it will grab instantly and the nameplate will be in the wrong place. And just sort of smear. You don't need to do the whole length, just enough so that it's going to grab. And a little bit on the nameplate itself. Make sure it doesn't ooze over, although Evo stick can be removed afterwards. As long as you've got enough on that. You'll put your elbow on that, by the way, and then you'll wonder where it is. And you'll have to buy a replacement, and you will find the one you've lost 5 minutes after you've fitted the replacement, but such is life. It's about ready, into position, and straight on. Don't use anything metal to press these down. You can bruise the brass. So use a cocktail stick. There you are. And you do exactly the same with the number. There's no need to take out the number, the surround around the number. In fact, I wouldn't advise it because you're going too close to that little X. And anyway, that's what it looks like there. A lot better, I think you'll agree. Now that's 10 minutes, is it? And £3, and you've got a much better looking locomotive. Something really the simplest of jobs and very, very easy to do, but worth doing. And there you go. What could be simpler?